Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is my third moto vlog, and today's ride is something every city rider can relate to: traffic signals, random chaos, people who don't know lane discipline. I'm riding through a typical urban mess today, so let's dive into it. As I started the ride, you'll notice there is no real rhythm to the traffic. It's just stop, go, stop again. People squeeze their bike into the tiniest of gaps. Riding in a city is like being in a maze. Left turn blocked, right turn full of potholes. Straight ahead, cows, pedestrian, parked cars in no parking zone, and a random guy trying to sell coconut water in the middle of it all. Riding here is less about speed and more about awareness. You need eyes in front side and even at the back. One moment of distraction and someone's scooter is halfway into your lane without a single indicator. And so I always tell myself, don't react, just respond. No need to shout or chase. Just stay calm, stay alert, and trust your brakes more than your horn. Um, that's one thing about motovlogging. It teaches you a lot about self-control. You notice everything, but instead of reacting in the moment, you save it for the voiceover or for the editing, like a therapy on two wheels. There is a beauty in this chaos, honestly. The sound, the heat, even the unpredictability. It's all part of urban ride experience. It may not be smooth, but it's definitely real. And oh, hello pothole. Didn't miss you. That one nearly drew my bike out. Gotta keep an eye on those sneaky dips. Honestly, riding in traffic is like being in a video game. You dodge, shift, predict. You know, sometimes I wonder if traffic signals are just decoration here because there are few people who follow it and there are many of those who just ignore it and just go as it is. Talking of signal, and here it comes. And look at that guy. Seriously, bro? Why are you parked in the middle of the road? Oh, is he okay? Did he fall? Not sure. He's just standing right there. What even? I'm not sure about that. There's always a story playing around you, and that's what I want to keep showing here. Not just scenic ride, but the real street and strange situation we all pass through. Oh, finally some me time. No chaos, no people, No bikes, no rickshaw, just me and my road. But as they say, happiness never lasts longer. There will be consequences, and here they are. That short ride over the flyover felt like a reward after the chaos. Alright, back to ground level, and boom, traffic again. And what's this guy is doing? Bro, just speak a lane. You can ride diagonally across the road like that. And seriously, what's with this pattern? Peace, chaos, peace, chaos.
And every auto rickshaw wants to overtake from the left, even if there is barely any space.
And what's with this rickshawalas? I have seen many of those who have cell phone on their steering and they keep watching reels and shorts while riding. And yeah, as I was saying earlier, I just need to know. I don't know if it's just me, but riding over a bridge makes me feel like I'm floating. Like all the chaos below is paused for a bit. And this is where I let my thoughts wander a little bit. Breathe, think, just vibe. That engine sound, that's therapy. This rides like a roller coaster, minus the seat belts and plus potholes. Can't even get mad. Yeah, there is a signal ahead. I bet I'll reach just in time for the red light. Wanna guess? Yep, nailed it. I've been getting stuck in this signal for quite a while. See, that's why I do ask. Are the signal are just for namesake or what? He could have waited just for a second, but no, he needs to break it. That's what gives him the kick. I'm not sure what kick. Man, from one signal to another. Now, here I am, stuck again. Classic. That's my luck. I know. For once, I'm gonna see an accident where they just break the signal, and at that same moment, someone comes around and takes them away with them. See, it wasn't much. They could have waited, but nah. Anyways, if you're still watching, thank you. Seriously, I know this isn't some cinematic GoPro vlog, but this is real. Real road, real chaos, and real reaction from a guy just trying to find calm in the middle of madness. Drop a comment if you have had days like this, and don't forget to subscribe. More chaos coming soon. Ride safe. Signing out, your friendly neighborhood motovlogger AV from India, Pune. Bye bye and take care.